YouTube. Now this is my cucumber plant. My husband took the first update. This is the second update. It is getting humongous and it is still growing and growing and growing, as you guys can see. So let's go down here under the roots and you're gonna see that it's actually 4 plants. So that's 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So 4 cucumber plants and grew to such a very large cucumber patch. So here's some baby cucumbers and you see a lot of flowers blooming, so that's a good sign. There's plenty more cucumbers to come on the way. At the moment I do not see the other one. Oh, it's down here on the ground. It's in the dirt a little bit down there. We got this baby and that one that we know is growing fine. So 2 plus plenty flowers blooming, meaning that there's plenty more fruits coming, or vegetables, however y'all want to look at the cucumber. Alright, there's my update. Continue gardening, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. Today is July the 14th. Here's an update on the cucumber patch. As you can see, we have a bee pollinating the cucumbers as we speak. Trying to let him do his thing. So we got plenty of cucumbers to update on today. You have really good eyes. You can see that one. And I'm gonna help y'all see this one. This one is coming off today. Okay. I think the bee has left for a moment so we can get a quick look see of the cucumbers that are coming. See how big that one in the guide. This one got long. Got a couple of babies at the back there. There, coming in very nicely. Baby one there. Back down there. at the top. One here. Still got that one on the outside still growing. Have another one on the outside, so we got two on the outside so far of the fence. Okay, guys, that was the cucumber update, or more like the cucumber hunt for July 14th. We'll hunt more in the future videos. Y'all done got familiar from watching, keeping up with the cucumber patch, with how they look. You can see there are plenty more coming. So until next time, happy gardening.